Hey guys, got a nice new arrival in our pre-owned inventory. It's a 2016 Gulfstream Conquest 288 ISL, priced at $18,150. Aluminum sided RV, 29-foot box length, 33.5-foot total length. It's got two slides, one on the right hand side which is for the kitchen. It does have two exterior entrances, spare tire included. Got a large slide out on the left hand side, which is the sofa and the U-shaped dinette. It's got electric tongue jack, two propane bottles, the weight on this unit is 7,060 pounds. That's the dry weight. Beautiful camper on the inside. Island kitchen. Solid surface countertops, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, and a vent hood. It's got the Dometic fridge, mid-size fridge, electric or propane. Plenty of cabinets. Really beautiful cabinet color in this RV. This is a bunkhouse plan, and it sleeps a total of 10. It does have a separate entrance for the bathroom here. It's got a skylight in the bathroom, and of course a vent fan. Your tank sizes on this unit are 51-gallon fresh water. The gray tank is 74 gallons and the black tank is 37 gallons. Walk around queen in the front of the camper. Wardrobe cabinets. This unit's been through Dalton RV's 138-point inspection, certified pre-owned, free 30-day warranty. Give us a call at Dalton RV, 706-529-3300.